Good morning, children. I'm back with another weekly activity class for you all. So last time we did on family tree. So most of you all had done the drawing of the family tree. I didn't get any models from any one of you all. That's fine, but I got some beautiful trees from you all, the chart. Okay, so today what we are going to do, you all know about the lesson travel around in our English, right? So from that lesson, so we are going to do an activity related to the lesson travel around. So in travel around, we learned about different kinds of transportation. So one of that was waterways. An example of waterways, we had boats and ships, right? So today we are going to make a paper plate boat. So we have paper plate, the paper plate will be a base of the sea or ocean or river, anything, and then there's a boat in that surfing around. So we'll draw that, and that is what we need is what I have mentioned on the board. If you all see, the things we require is pair of scissors, a paper plate, something like this. This will be the paper plate, and I have stuck the newspaper to that, so that you know, if you want to paint or draw, it will stick well, so it will be easy for us to draw. So I had to give a white background. If you all can paint it white, it's fine. So I stuck tissue papers, for which we need tissue papers. So paper plate, tissue papers, and then a pair of scissors, and then we need glue or glue stick will do, and we need craft papers or some color papers. I have these craft papers like this. So you can use these kind of papers which you get in the stationery shop, and then we need scales and sketch pens so that you all can use for measuring. And I have a couple of sketch pens for you all. And I forgot to mention one more thing, we also require popsicle stick. One popsicle stick will do. And let's start with how to make the paper plate boat. Now this is the paper plate, a small one. I found one, and I've stuck the tissue paper to give it a white background. Now what we do is we press the plate to make it flat. Okay, so I made the plate a little flat and round, and then we are going to give it a look of a ocean or a sea. So what what color we usually use to show water? We use blue, right? So I'll use some blue sketch pens to give a wavy pattern. So you all can even put glue and put glitter, blue glitter, something like that to make it look nice. But I'm just using the sketch pen. You can use sketch pen or crayons. So we get the wavy pattern. Okay. So this is the wavy pattern I've given, like which shows as if there's water in it, right? So I'll give a little another color in between. Okay. Now it looks more like a water. And now I want to make a sun over here. So you can use a yellow sketch pen to draw the sun, or you can use your craft paper, you can cut it. So I use this cap of a bottle, and I drew it around like this. So I use the craft paper, I use the cap of a bottle, I drew a circle around the bottle, and I used my pair of scissors to cut the circle, and I got this. Okay, this also you can use it as a sun. Now what I'm going to do is, it's going to be a sunny day, or you can give a night look, like making it a little dark, but it's going to be a sunny day in my project, so I'm using the sun. So we'll stick the sun in one corner. Now to give it some nice look, I'm going to use a black sketch pen and give some eyes to the sun. The sun is nice and happy, and a smiley mouth because sun, and then some rays, sun rays. So you can use the yellow sketch pen to make it more sunny. So this looks more sunny, isn't it, children? So there's sun here, and we can give a little to make the sky more clear. I'm going to make a cloud. And how we are going to make the cloud? With the cotton. I'm using a piece of cotton. I mentioned cotton here, or you can use tissue papers, roll it and stick, like, you know, and that will look like clouds also. So here I'm using the cotton, a small cotton, to give it a cloud look. So let me draw an outline of a cloud, small cloud here and there. I'm going to stick into that. It's a small plate, so I can't do too much on it. If you all can use a big plate and show it also, it will look nice. So there's some clouds by the side of the sky, sun, and some birds flying around. I used my black sketch pen to show there are birds flying around. Okay. Now what? The main part of it is the boat, because that's going to be the type of mode of transportation for us. So I took a brown craft sheet and I cut out the base of the boat, the vessel of the boat, and then I cut out the triangle with another craft sheet to show it as a sail. This is going to be the sail on the boat, and then I have attached a small piece of stick to that, and this we are going to stick to the vessel of the boat, so it will look like a yacht. Can you all see this, children? It will look like a yacht or a boat. So I'm going to stick this stick to the vessel of the boat, that's the base of the boat, with a glue stick. Now this is how it is. Now we have the beach, we have the boat. Now what are we going to do? We have to have the boat moving in the water, right? So we will take a knife or a cutter, and you can make a slit in it. You can take a knife or a cutter and make a slit into it, because we are going to use this popsicle stick to go into that. So before that, we will stick this boat into the popsicle. I'm just waiting for this to dry. Once this is dried, I put some more glue. Once this is done, we will stick the boat to this popsicle stick. Can you see this? Now this is the yacht or the boat for us. I stuck to the popsicle stick. Now you can use this remaining part, because I stuck it on the top. This remaining part will be the handle for us. So I have made a slit a little on the top. You can make a slit down also and insert this into the slit like this. Insert it till the stick is covered, and now you can move the stick through the slit. It will look like as if the boat is sailing. Can you all see? The boat is sailing. So this is the travel around, or the type of transportation. So this is the boat and the paper plate. So paper plate, boat, you can make a slit little down so that the clouds are not covered. Okay. So this is how the boat is moving. Correct? Yeah. So I want you all to do the same thing and send it to me. You can use different colors for the boat, but I just use this light color and a dark color combination. Okay, children, so do this and send it to me. This is the project, and you will get the marks for this, and this mark will be added in your test. Okay, so this is what I wanted to do. I hope you all will enjoy the project. Do it and send it to me. I want a video and a photograph of the same, whatever you all have done. Okay, all the best. Take care. Goodbye.